everybody, welcome back to my channel. And are you a makeup beginner and want to buy some products but you're confused which one should we buy? So don't worry, today I'm going to share some my favorite and affordable products that you can invest in your initial phase of makeup. So let's get started. So I'm going to share some products with their prices on Nykaa. So the prices may vary according to platform. So check it out before you buy. So first one is this primer. This is Inside Cosmetics Pore Minimizer Primer, and this is Nykaa's Prep Me Up Face Primer. So these are really convenient to use. And talking about this price, this primer is for 93 rupees only on Nykaa, and this is for 203. Then the next step is color correction. For color correction, I got this palette from Mars, and this is absolutely a wonderful palette. You get color correction shades as well, and you can get contour, concealer, everything in this one. And this costs almost 439 rupees on Nykaa. And the next step is foundation. These are my two absolute favorite foundations. I use them regularly. One, this is from Nykaa Skin Genius, and this is Maybelline's Lumi Matte Foundation. Talking about this price, the Nykaa Genius foundation is for 455 and the Lumi Matte foundation is for 639. So these are the prices after offer. Now let's talk about concealers. I have this very beautiful concealer from Inside Cosmetics, and it cost only 102 rupees. And another is this Swiss Beauty's liquid concealer, and this cost 184 rupees only. This is also my one of the favorite, which cost around 488 with offer. So you can totally invest in this one as well. Now let's talk about powders, and I have these two powders here. One is from Inside Cosmetics HD Finishing Loose Powder. This is for 132 only. And this is Record's Ace of Base Banana Powder. This is absolutely my favorite and my go-to product. And this cost around 539. So you can totally go for these two ones. And while talking about compact powders, these are my two regular compact powders. One is from Nykaa, and this costs 233 rupees. And this is Faces Canada, and this costs 148. And as a beginner for contour, blush, and highlighter, you can invest the palette like this. This has contour, highlighter, and blush as well. This is from Sugar. I would say I would not recommend this palette, but Swiss Beauty has the same kind of palette, which is very affordable. This is around, I guess, 300 rupees, and the pigmentation is really good. So now these kind of cute palettes are also available in the market. So this is from Blue Heaven. So it has contour, blush, and highlighter as well, and this cost around, I guess, 350 rupees. So the thing is, these are the cream products, and this is a powder product. You can go for anything you like. Now let's talk about eyeliners, and this is my absolute favorite liner from Faces Canada, and the price of this eyeliner is 179 rupees only. And another is this sketch liner from Swiss Beauty. The thing is, it has two stamps, so you can just draw a wing with this stamp only. And the price for this liner is 239. And for a kajal, I guess this is based on personal experiences. Like, I love this Maybelline Colossal Kajal. Also have some one from Lakme Iconic, and also from this one is from Nykaa. So these are around 200 rupees everything. Okay, my favorite part, that is mascaras. I have tons of mascara, but these four are my favorite. So my first favorite is this Stage 929 tubing mascara. This cost around 272 rupees. Is this from Nykaa, and this is from Zudio. Actually, I love this mascara, and this is for 199 rupees only. Also, I have this mascara from Blue Heaven in the blue color. So if you like to play with your makeup, so you can totally go for this one as well. In little bit higher price, this is from Charmasi Milano and cost around 500. The next is eyeshadow palette. Actually, you can go for any, but as a beginner, I would say invest in these ones. These are really good. This is Ultimate Shadow Palette from Swiss Beauty. It has 9 colors and it is really great. This is very pigmented and cost around 250 only. Then I have this palette from Mars. This is kind of brown and nude shade with glitters and shimmers, all the things. Cost around 299, and I guess with offer you can get it for 250 or 260 rupees only. And the last but not the least, setting spray. And actually, setting spray is really important when you want your makeup to stay longer. And I absolutely love this setting spray by Swiss Beauty. It is High on Glow Dewy Makeup Fixer, and you can see it has some glittery particles in it. So I wear it. And talking about this price, it's 451 only. Another setting spray I have is this from MyGlam makeup setting spray. It is lightweight, non-sticky, and holds your makeup for a longer time. And I guess this is for 299 rupees. So this is it. And if you like this video, do like, share, subscribe to my channel.